Okay guys, so this is my smart touchscreen switchboard. Basically this contains four switches which is connected to this LED strip light, which is around 8 to 6 meters, and this is powered by Arduino Uno and HC05. So this contains four relays which is connected to four touch switches. As I said, touch, the LED is on. So if I touch again, the LED is off. And this switchboard can also be controlled to Bluetooth connection, that is via HC05. So the okay, so as I said, this can be communicated via Bluetooth too. So this is the app that I got from the Play Store and I have currently connected to my switchboard. So I have currently connected four relays, that is four switches, but this can handle up to 8 relays or 8 switches. So I have attached the LED to the third switch. So as you can see, as soon as I click on button on the third switch, the relay turns on. But there's a glitch in, okay, you can see this got disconnected. That's a major bug in this app, but I hope it will be fixed. So after restarting, you can see this works pretty fine on and off. So guys, the schematic diagram and the code is always out in the description. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care.